From the Rental Agreement tab, choose List Rental Agreements and open the relevant RA. Click on the Replacements tab, and then the Replacement button. Fill in the form with the appropriate information. Click the Save button. A confirmation message will appear at the top of the page. Now, click on the Vehicle Info tab. For the sequence of check-in and check-out, follow this flowchart as a guide. For this demo, we'll use the second case, which is sending of replacement to the hirer. We will need to check out first. Click on the checkout icon. Fill in the checklist with appropriate information, and click Proceed to complete. To check in, go to Vehicle Info tab and click the check-in icon. Update the relevant details. Then click on Proceed button. Click Set as primary icon as shown in the video. You will be asked to confirm if you want to proceed. Click Yes to confirm. Click on the Print Agreement with current data to print the RA with the new vehicle.